This is a safety video on machine safeguarding by me, her, him, and this guy. What is machine guarding? Machine safeguarding is the application of safety engineering work practices and administrative controls to prevent the injury of employees who operate machines. Why are machinery guards important? Crushed hands and arms, severed fingers, and blindness are just some of the machinery-related injuries that can result from the hazards created by moving machine parts. Safeguards can avoid them. In this fun training session, you'll learn 1. To identify the dangerous moving parts of machinery. 2. To identify methods of safeguarding. Some dangerous moving parts in machinery that require safeguarding are 1. Point of operation. 2. In-running nip points. 3. Pinch points. 4. Power transmission. 5. Other moving parts. This is where the work is performed on the material, such as the cutting, the shaping, boring, or forming of the stock. Second, in-running nip points. These are zones located between two rotating parts which shear, crush, or abrade. 3 is pinch points. These are zones in between moving and stationary parts of a machine. 4 is power transmission. Transmission of energy to the part of the machine performing the work. The primary steps of machine safeguarding include 1. Analyze the workplace and prioritize safeguarding efforts based on the most predictable injury and the probability of occurrence. Secondly, recognize the hazards by identifying hazardous actions and motions. 3. Develop and implement a systematic safeguarding program which includes identifying safeguarding methods, selection, and installation. 4. Ensure use of safeguarding and reinforce programs by training, education, and enforcement. To safeguard machinery, you should first determine the machine hazards and then select a suitable guarding method based on the type of operation, the method of handling, the work area, and the type of material. Some characteristics of an effective safeguard are that it prevents contact. The safeguard must prevent any part of a worker's body or clothing from making contact with dangerous moving parts. Also, it should protect from falling objects. The safeguard should also ensure that no objects can fall into moving parts. Effective safeguards should also be secure and well constructed. Workers should not easily be able to remove or tamper with the safeguard. It must be firmly secured to the machine. In addition, they should create no new hazards. A safeguard defeats its purpose if it creates a hazard of in itself. Safeguards shouldn't create any new interference. Safeguarding can enhance efficiency, since it can relieve the worker's apprehensions about injury. And it should also allow for safe lubrication. One should be able to lubricate the machine without removing the safeguard. And employees aren't the only ones responsible for safety. The employer must supervise and ensure that the employees are trained to do the job correctly, wear personal protective equipment or PPE, and apply safe operating procedures. Safety doesn't just happen by accident.